Dude, they
Okay, please
literally
ask me that
Americans
again. Please
come
ask
from
me.
Europe.
How am I white?
Oh, I
How
don't
am I
know.
white?
Bro, they moved here from like Europe.
How am I white?
That's how they're white. They have no
So
culture.
wait, so you're not considered German or what? I don't understand.
No,
Am
she's
I'm
not.
I
confused.
Her parents are American, right? They were born here, born
It's
and
like
raised.
me. I was
white?
born here, born and raised.
Right.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Bitch, that makes you Mexican
Hello.
American because your parents were born in Mexico.
So that makes her German American
I
or
No, your
can't
German
parents
Irish
were
believe.
born
American?
here. Your parents were born here, right?
I
Oh,
can't
oh.
That makes
So
even.
her
that means
American.
oh,
I'm
so that means that
American.
okay, so your mom is German American and you're American. It's like
My
Alianza
Yes.
American. Oh,
Yes.
oh la la. Oh,
The discovery we made.
oh my
Well,
God.
you made
that
because you were.
question broke me. Not gonna lie.
That German people then are they're white.
Uh,
That's what that means.
What
they're
is this
European. Yes.
question?
So all
Yes.
your so all European people are American. They're not European.
No.
I don't.
What?
Where did you
Jasmine.
come with this? Wait.
I don't know. I feel
Wait,
stupid
what
right
did you
now.
say? Say it again.
Okay. Okay. Here I go.
Okay, we're
Okay.
listening.
So that means that I don't know. It's like this is what I'm thinking in my brain. I don't know what's going on, but like German are German, right? Then how are they white? What are we?
Because they're European.
Okay, so what am I?
You
We
are.
probably come from native blood from the Mayas. What you from the
Okay, so
Aztecs?
that's what I'm wondering.
You
I'm like,
also
okay,
aren't
so
you part Spain though?
Spanish. Yeah, we have a little half and half.
but I don't
But
know
you're
why.
white white. You feel me? Like literally white.
You're white
Oh,
because
I'm
you're
a
white.
dumbass,
Because
right?
She
I'm
was like,
part polar
She's like
bear.
100%
Because
European
I am
area.
part
Yeah,
polar
no,
bear.
I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. No, I get it. What the fuck am I thinking?
You're not
I'm
thinking.
stupid as fuck right now.
You're not thinking.
Oh, I get it. I'm like, no, she can't. If she's white and Europeans are Europeans and we're Mexican, that's why I was like, wait, what? It's the race. I'm so stupid. Ugh,
I
God.
love
Like
you.
my
Don't
neighbor.
change. Don't change.